So here we are at our family luau, and we have some mosquito problems today. So I just demonstrated how to apply a BugBand wristband to your child's wrist, but an alternative way to wear these is to take it out of its resealable pod. And you don't necessarily need skin contact with these in order for them to be effective. So if your child has a tank top or a spaghetti strap like Danny here, you could just put your wristband on the strap like this, and that will protect her. So as long as you are in the vicinity of the wristband and it's, near you on your wrist or hanging on your clothing, you can put it on a belt loop too. That works. It will keep your bugs away. So then again, after you're done wearing this for the evening, just take it off, put it back in its resealable case, and you're ready for your next outing.